This innovative chain handsaw cuts down a grown tree in less than 10 seconds. This welding tool uses a laser beam to attach two pieces of metal together.
A triangular metal template moves vertically to perfectly score triangular cuts that form a piece of expanded metal.
These battery-powered pruning shears cut through tree branches with a click of the finger.
Tubular beads of concrete are layered precisely using a 3D concrete printer. This crafty DIYer places decorative templates over her dirty walkway and then power washes over them, only to reveal an amazing design. A section of new roofing is secured with hot mop roofing tar and a hand tool.
This man precisely shears a bush into a superbly flat surface.
Dugout moat trenches are filled with concrete to form a complex strip foundation. Dirty rug is shampooed and scraped clean using a rake-like hand tool. Five mechanical parts move in perfect synchronicity to bind the links on a heavy-duty chain.
This motorized log splitter uses a metal beak in a circular motion to divide a stump.
Watch this concrete radius slab get troweled and cut to perfection. An arm with a flexible blob on it is dipped into a silkscreen pattern to decorate a bowl. The arm of this pasta cutting machine rotates in a circular motion to cut ribbed elbow pasta. Wet concrete is shoveled into a concrete stencil to achieve a honeycomb block design. A pre-made foundational rope is placed inside a series of smaller ropes and then braided and spliced to create a rope strong enough to tug a boat. A paint-drenched roller pad is instantly scraped clean with a circular metal hand tool.
How blueberries get harvested.
A bush on the side of a mountain is neatly shaped with a strange electric tool. This malleable tow bar can tow a car with no chains, fasteners, or human needed.